A man convicted in a December 2022 robbery and assault case has his appeal heard in the High Court. Joiner Anis Sorum, also known as Slim Thug, was found guilty of robbery and aggravated assault with special allegations of using a deadly weapon last April. Convicted of these charges, Sorum is facing 50 years in the Department of Corrections. He filed to appeal his conviction to the Supreme Court. Parties had presented their oral arguments before the justices this week. Sorum's attorney Brian Eggleston tells the court that there are certain specifics in the deadly weapons allegation that make a difference in sentencing. Defense arguing the victim's injuries were not that bad.
It requires permanent disfigurement, protracted unconsciousness, or death. And
doesn't it also just require serious pain?
It also could be serious pain. And I think the main reason behind that intuition is that it is simply a matter of fact about the human body, that it has one particular place that is incredibly susceptible and in some ways uniquely susceptible to blunt force impact. Anything that hits someone's head has the possibility of causing brain injury, which in turn has the possibility of causing death.
Eggleston added jury wasn't properly instructed, and Joyner was denied the opportunity to state his exact role in the incident during the trial. However, prosecuting attorney Randall Albright stated that regardless how bad the victim was injured, Sorum was properly convicted.
The destructive potential of a baseball bat is self-evident, as People versus Khan shows us. That's a 2023 case. And here, the luck of the draw that he was able to flee after viewing the bat, injured by the bat, property taken, is a justifiable, reasonable basis to fear that it is a deadly weapon, and it's well wielded as such.
The justices will now mull over the arguments before issuing a decision. As we reported, Joyner Sorum and his brother Joe Sorum were accused of beating a man with a baseball bat and robbing him of $20. After the robbery, the suspects fled, but they were followed by a witness who identified them to police. Authorities later found the pair with a baseball bat, the victim's watch, and stolen cash. Julian Hernandez, KUAM News.